So, I want to talk about online dating and your awareness and how you can navigate these uh, interactions, interludes, so that you know what you're getting into and you know what to avoid using your awareness, not judgment, but your awareness of like what's light, what feels fun, what's going to create more, what's going to create lightness in your future. And, sometimes you have to really pay attention and read between the lines of what people are saying. One of my favorite ways to know what is true is when I'm reading um, a message from somebody to say in my head, truth. So I can ask a question, truth, what is it that you're looking for? You don't type it, you just think it. And so when they write back, they'll either tell you what's true or you'll know that they're not telling the truth. And wouldn't you rather know upfront? I mean, part of the reason why people move on from a breakup and look back is realizing that they weren't actually paying attention to who was there. They were like more in this fantasy of who they want the person to be that they didn't end up being, and so it didn't work out. So really just paying attention and being present and asking truth. Truth. What is it that you're looking for? And then you get to know and see if that works for you. Hope this tip helps. And send me a message. Let me know what else you'd like to know about.